In this video, you'll learn how to create an Emergent AI account. By following these steps, you'll be able to access the platform and start using its features effectively. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Emergent AI website. You can do this by typing in the URL or using a search engine to find it. Once the page loads, you should see the main landing screen for Emergent AI. Next, look for the button labeled Build Full Stack. This option is typically prominently displayed on the landing page. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. After that, you will encounter a prompt that asks you to continue with your email. Click on the option labeled Continue with Email. This will take you to the sign-up form where you will enter your details. Now type in your name in the designated field. Ensure that you enter your name correctly, as this will be linked to your account. Once you have filled in your name, proceed to the next field. Next, you will need to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to, as you will need it for verification later. After entering your email, move on to the password field. In the password field, create a secure password that meets the platform's requirements. It is advisable to use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once your password is set, you can continue by clicking on the Get Started button. Upon clicking Get Started, you should see a confirmation message indicating that a verification email has been sent to your provided email address. Check your inbox for this email to verify your account. To verify your email, open a new tab in your browser and go to your email provider, such as Gmail. Once you have accessed your inbox, look for the verification email from Emergent AI. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your primary inbox. After locating the verification email, open it and click on the verification link provided within the message. This action will confirm your email address and complete the account creation process. Once you click the link, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully created an account on Emergent AI. This message confirms that your account is now active and ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.